I have to write that Python, enter. Then open the Python shell terminal in my Windows DOS version terminal. Then you people also write the code here in the single line run command or single line run scripting. Here I write print SCG solutions, print SCG solutions, then enter. Then you can see that the output of the print SCG solutions input. So this is the line by line, one line command of scripting. So this is called the interpreter mode. So next thing is indentation in Python. Why we people can use the Python? Why Python is acceptable for any other companies, today's startups, today's entrepreneurs, today's MNCs? Why? Because
Arvik, sorry to interrupt you. Just a minute.
okay, sir.
Guys, so far any question, whatever we have discussed, like the Python download installation, because if you are new, if you don't have any installation Python in your machine, so if you have to install. So far any doubt, any questions you have, please feel free to ask or feel free to ping in the chat. Okay. If you have any question, just ping. Okay, good to proceed.
Okay, thank you, sir. So typical Java code. When we have write the Java code in loop conditions or any conditions or anything or any print of a string or any print of a integer or any print of a number, anything, then we have to write that this type of, if this is the brackets system dot out dot println, then first bracket, then string commands, then also the indentation command, indentation points, all. But when I write this person is adult, this type of input in the Python, just type small thing, print bracket string and then run. Print bracket the string and run means print bracket quotations of person is adult and then run. No indentation, no big thing, no big brackets, nothing. So here is the main difference of the between the Java and Python. So next is writing comments in Python. How a Python program comments, how a program or how a string or any sentence or any line we have to comment also. At first, how can we write comments in Python? For bigger and complex program, moreover the line we have to choose as the comments to identification of these programs or parts of the programs. So comment section is, we have to write the hash. Hash means the single line comment, means when we people create a single line comment, then we have to use that first in the sentence or in the string or in the any line before just type the hash. And when we people add multi-line comments by enclosing text, then we have to write this type of indentation, 3 indentation points. It can span across the multiple lines. So this indentation is the multi-line comments, for multi-line comments, or this is for the single line comments. Okay. Next is Python data types. First is variables. A variable is an entity that can hold a value. Features: a variable should have a value, an assign statement creates a new variables, and variable name should be meaningful. I write an example, age equals to 25. This is the meaningful variable. How can say? At first, we people want to know the types of variables. First is string, integer, float, boolean, list, and dictionary. Here, 2 new more things from the any other Java, C, or any other program. This is list and dictionary. Okay, so how can we check the data types of any variable? Just write in the shell command or any run program, just type this example, type in this bracket hello world or any string, just enter or run this module. You have to see this type is string, or str means string. Then you also write the type in this bracket 15 and then enter or run this module. You can also see the type of this 15 is what can? This is the integer. So you also write the type in this bracket of 15.4. 15.4 is what kind of variable? Float. Then enter or run this module. You have to see the type is float. Okay. Next is type of variable in the string. Here the short example, client first name, this is my object name or any name. You also write the test or anything, equals to a one string, and then print this object, and then print this object. What can we see? We see this value, this string value in the output session. We can see this value in the output session. Here is that more thing is the more thing is concatenate. What is the concatenate? When we people add 2 different strings or add a object and a string. Then you should also write the John D plus Rockefeller. You also see this output. But